reason to be in Yorba Linda, California today, and I decided that I would take Mr. Kortan. Welcome to Urban Monk TV. So I'm on Mr. Kortan, which I haven't ridden in a while, and interesting day with Mr. Kortan here. I hopped on and began riding. This is East Lake Village. They have a man-made lake here. It's about 8 feet deep and got a whole bunch of homes around it. It's part of the development. Very interesting way to live, but all of these people have the benefits of that homeowners association, and the lake is one of the benefits. Of course, the neighboring community probably enjoys walking around it and seeing it too, but anywho, just a quick channel update. Oh yeah, so I got on Mr. Kortan and was riding a little ways from my house, and bam, just died deader than a doornail very quickly, which you know, I mean, when you've got no power, the ignition, all lights went out, everything, you know, that tells me electrical when you have that kind of shutdown. And just pushed the bike back to the house again. It wasn't very far, and I had blown the main fuse. So I kind of looked at some of the wiring, and I could see a spot or two where maybe this fiberglass seat and the way I have it mounted is potentially putting stress on some of the wires, and I may have possibly grounded one of those out. So I threw a couple pieces of electrical tape on the thing, and it's running fine now. I also have a spare fuse in my pocket, just as a backup measure. But I wanted to give a little update on the channel here. The CX500 project, I intend to get some work done on that this coming weekend. And what I've been waiting for there is parts. I was looking for a stator. The stator and the voltage regulator rectifier on that particular model of motorcycle, oh, I thought I was in first, but I wasn't, is not available as a, you know, OEM part anymore. No reg rec, no stator. But I found a wonderful company that I can't wait to share with you all, because I was just really tickled with how nice these people were. It's a company out of Canada called RM Stator. They're at rmstator.com, and gosh, they were just fantastic. And they've got an OEM replacement stator that has now arrived. It just came yesterday, and it's a fantastic looking piece of electrical equipment. They've done a very nice job at wrapping the wiring on it, and I toyed with the idea of wiring that thing myself, but I know that if you get one little tiny break in the enamel coating around the what's called magnet wire, essentially, it's going to short out and it's not going to work. And you know, it's inside the engine. I just don't want to redo this again. So I just thought it was really worth the peace of mind to know that I'm getting it from the professionals who make lots and lots and lots of these things and do it well. And RM Stator seems to be very much into motorsports, and they make things for a lot of different vehicles, motorcycles, but ATVs and quads and that kind of thing too. But anywho, I'm excited to be putting in an RM stator. And they also had multiple options on voltage regulators and rectifiers. So on that note, here I am on Mr. Kortan, and I'm thinking Mr. Kortan could use an update, and it'd be nice to welcome him back to the channel. So my intention is to upgrade the voltage regulator and rectifier and battery in Mr. Kortan. I'm going to put a lithium-ion battery in. At least this is my intention. And lithium-ion batteries should not be charged from a regulator rectifier that, oh yeah, pulling nice today. God, it's running so well. Aside from the blown fuse, if you call that running well. Anyways, lithium-ion batteries, you got different choices on regulator rectifiers. One that is a series, wired in series type of regulator rectifier, and then there is the MOSFET. I forget what that acronym stands for now. But anywho, you want a MOSFET for a lithium-ion battery, and the standard equipment or OEM stock electrical components on the Suzuki GS550, upon which Mr. Kortan is built, is not MOSFET technology. So I am going to bring Mr. Kortan back to the channel in the near future, not before I finish the CX500, I'm sorry, and we'll put a new regulator rectifier in there, and I'm also going to get that from RM Stator. So happy to be kind of announcing that I'm getting some parts from them. I like them. Super nice people, and the kind of people that I like to do business with and spend my money on. You got to support those things that you like in the world, and I like these people. What else is going on?
If you like motorcycles, custom builds, or just like a good story about a man's 3-year effort to build a tribute to his childhood teacher, get a copy of Creating Mr. Kortan. In it, you'll learn how this man changed this man for the better. How this man took this and built this. How these guys became lifelong friends and enthusiasts of motorcycling and craftsmanship. And how the name Urban Monk originated. It's available from Amazon anywhere in the world that Amazon ships, in both paperback and ebook, or you can purchase through a link found on urbanmonktv.com. Get your copy of Creating Mr. Kortan today.
I'm still doing a ton of dialysis all the time, and it does keep me away from the channel, but I'm also trying desperately to get a source of income happening because I have been out of work for a long time, and I'm very limited on what I can do. As far as my availability for a job goes, I'm kind of unemployable. Nobody would put up with the kind of hours that I can offer because of my wife's dialysis. So I am starting a signs and graphics business because I'm a creative and I'm pretty good with the technology, and I got a buddy who's been doing this for a long time, and he's very good at it and willing to hold my hand through the startup stages. And I've started businesses before, so I know what's in store there, and I'm excited about it. So that's keeping me busy. That's it. That's kind of my quick channel update. CX500 is coming soon with a brand new stator and a brand new voltage regulator rectifier from RM Stator, and Mr. Kortan will come back to the channel soon for some electrical component upgrades. And then while I'm in there, I may as well do a deep dive on why I blew a fuse here today. And that is a green light, so let's go. And let's just sign out by having some fun. God, I love that. Okay, I'm speeding. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to become an urban monk. And check out my book, Creating Mr. Kortan, in which I talk about creating this bike I'm on and the impetus for the project, plus a bunch of other fun musings. Thanks for watching, you guys. Take care.